Welcome back. This whole time we've been doing this analysis, we've just used the raw data and the years. We haven't looked at these uncertainties, have we? What that means is that this measurement of 316.9 could be plus or minus, up or down, by a difference, that's the Greek letter delta, a difference of 2. So it could be as high as 318.9 or as low as 314.9. Now, each of the different measurements has a slightly different uncertainty. They're all roughly around about 2. Some are a bit lower, some are a bit higher. But how do we use those uncertainties? Well, we go across to the chart and we will add error bars. So we press the plus sign, we can see error bars here. Now, if I just let it go with default, it's not going to do a very good job. So I use the arrow and I do more options. Now it starts off with vertical error bars. That's good. And I want vertical error bars, but I don't want fixed values. I want customized values because the values are stored over in my spreadsheet. I get to specify the value. Now, in some more advanced work, you'd have different sized error bars on going upwards versus going downwards. So we get the choice of that. And for the positive side, I will highlight all of those numbers. Just expand the dialog box. And for the negative side, I will also highlight the same numbers. But in more advanced work, you might have different sized error bars for the downward versus the upward. And when I click OK, now let's zoom in a long way. It seems like we still have horizontal error bars as well as vertical error bars. So that's okay. We can format, and there it is. It's series 1, X error bars. X is horizontal. Let's format them. Now we'll put them as a fixed value of 0. And those have now disappeared. I think I might format my data series while I'm here. Let's select series number 1. And we'll go back to those markers. And I think if I reduce their size a bit, it's easier to see the error bars appearing there. So you can start to see the error bars appearing. These error bars are really rather small, but that's okay. We've added them in, even though they're difficult to see. We have accounted for them. Now, the error bars are interesting because the error bars allow us to start thinking about different types of predictions. So we could imagine, worst case scenario, that all of the data points for the first 33 years, which is about half, are on the low side. And then suddenly, all of the measurements are on the high side for the next 33 years. This would tend to give me a trend line which sweeps upwards more steeply than the one we currently have. Alternatively, we could have, for the first 33 years, all of the measurements were at the top side of the error bars. Suddenly, they switch to the bottom side of the error bars, and this would give me a trend line which is more gently rising than the one we have. This is a way that we can estimate the different possible limits of our predictive model. Now, we'll have to wait for the next video to get in and have a closer look at how that happens. Thanks for watching.